Why you always in the mood? I'm acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Really, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? So I'm acting brand new.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Miry in case you're new here. So on today's video, I decided to do it so that I can welcome you all to this great channel. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy a lot of what I'm going to upload going forward. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share the videos here so that you can support me in growing this small channel. So I think your support will be highly appreciated over here, and as we grow together, guys, tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your friend to tell a friend to subscribe to this great channel, because I'm going to put a lot of videos and some shorts here and there. So yeah, that's why I'm here to welcome you all and feel at home in case you are new here. So the returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to give your support. Guys, let's grow this great channel to be of number one. We can do it. We have done it before, and I hope going forward we can do more and more on this new one. So guys, I had another channel that the last time I checked, I used it was on April 2025, and my phone had a problem. So when I went to fix it, the email that I used to open the channel with, I forgot the password. So when I forgot the password, the number that I used to make the email with it, I stopped using it long time ago, and so it's like the Safaricom people, they sold it to somebody else. So that somebody is not picking up my call, so that he can share the code, so that we continue using that same channel. But because I had no chance to revisit that channel, so that's why I decided to open a new one, which is this one I'm using, the name Miry. So when you come across this channel, kindly subscribe and show me some love. Your comments are highly appreciated. Comment, like and share this channel to your friends so that we can get a lot of subscribers as we go, as you support me to grow. Yeah, so that's why I decided to make this YouTube channel, because the other one is not in use right now. I hope by God's grace we will reach there. It had around 150 subscribers, because it was also a new channel. I had not been using it before, even if I opened it like some years back. So this is the year I decided to be active on my YouTube journey. So that's why I'm here with this new one. So kindly show me some love and support me. If you would like me to share with you my number so that you can support me, guys, I don't have a good camera, and in fact I don't have a camera as we speak. I'm using my phone to record. So if you would like to support me, kindly comment down below, and I'll share my number with you so that we can be able to see what to do about the camera and the stuff that I'm supposed to use for recording. Yeah, that's the information I have for now to share with you. I hope you get it good and clear. It has no complications. So I hope you guys support me. We are in a road to 1,000 subscribers. When you come across my videos, kindly watch to the end, like and share, comment here. So I hope you guys are here to support me, and don't quit once you become my family. I love our family to grow bigger and bigger. Sorry, guys, somebody called. As I was saying, so I made this video to invite you all to this great channel. So I'd like you to show some support by subscribing, sharing, commenting. At the same time, guys, you can like my videos. The ones are I have posted, the ones I've uploaded on my channel, they are in form of shorts. So this will be my introduction video, the one I've done. So when you come across it, kindly show some love. I'll be doing more and more videos on this channel, lifestyle videos, entertainment videos, and inspirational videos. So the next video, the one I'll be uploading soon, it will be what I do. Yeah, if things go right, I'll post about that one. So kindly suggest down below what else you would like me to feature on as I record, and also the videos you would like me to do for you. Pranks when my sisters come back from school. One is a teacher and one is a student. So once they come over, we'll be able to do some videos with them and upload for you guys. I hope you enjoy. What have I forgotten to tell you guys? We are on a road to 1000 subscribers. Kindly show some love. Yeah, that's what I had for today. And guys, see you next time. I love you. Don't forget to share this to your friends and your cousins and anybody you come across. Kindly share. Tell them to subscribe so that I can grow. Yeah, so that's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye. I love you.